How many times will I say every day in this video? The world might never know. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and today, I always start with the same intro, but whatever. Today, I am going to be talking about my everyday favorite lipsticks. Doesn't necessarily mean they have to be nude, but just the lipsticks that I like to wear on an everyday basis that I feel like pair well with a lot of makeup or with minimal makeup. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys some suggestions if you're looking for one lipstick that's like your staple, one lipstick that you're gonna wear every single day. I'm gonna give you a few options so that you can get a few ideas on that. So if you guys want to know what my best top, I don't know how I'm gonna title this video yet, but lipsticks for every day are, then make sure to stay tuned, keep watching. I don't know where I was going with that. Okay, so first one is my Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper, and this is in the shade, I think it's Barely There or Barely Nude, I don't remember. But basically, this is a lip plumper. Smells really good. It has a slight tint to it, but it isn't like noticeable. And what I love about this one is that it says hydrating. So I have really small lips, right? And this one works really well. I find that it does plump my lips. Obviously it tingles, but it isn't super bad. My favorite thing about this is that it fills in my fine lines. So I have really wrinkly lips, and this, since it plumps them, it makes them like smoother, and I love that. And that's why I like this as an everyday color, because it hydrates and makes my lips look super smooth, and it has a little bit of color so I can wear it with makeup or without makeup. I highly recommend this one if you're looking for a lip plumper. Next, I have a drugstore product, and this is the e.l.f. lip oil. e.l.f. never has the names on their packaging. This is the e.l.f. lip oil, I guess, in Raspberry Truffle Kiss, and basically this is literally, it smells good. It's literally just a lip oil with color in it. So this color looks super intimidating, right? It looks super dark and like, ooh, it's gonna be a little hard to apply. But what I love about this is obviously it's super comfortable on the lips, and it gives my lips a rosy look. So this is obviously not as pigmented as a lipstick, but what I love about it is that it stains my lips, makes me look like I'm naturally, you know, rosy lipped, and it is really comfortable to wear. You can use it without any makeup and it won't be ultra noticeable, and you can use it with makeup for a little bit extra something. So I really enjoy this one. While we're talking about sheer formulas, let's talk about my Glossier Generation G lipstick in Leo. I wear this a lot. I wear this every single week. There's a lot of product in here. I love this lipstick. It is one of the most amazing lipsticks. I love it. I love it. I don't even know why. Okay, this is incredible. The applicator is perfect for my small lips. The color is beautiful for every day. I can build it up to like I don't know, medium pigmentation. Is that a term? Basically, these are sheer lipsticks, but they just give a little something to your lips. This color is perfect. It makes my lips look like they're naturally a little bit brownier and like beautiful, you know. It's amazing. I love this. Smells great. I love everything about it. I love Glossier, and they are doing it right with this. I wear this at least twice a week because I just love it so much. Easy to throw on with makeup, without makeup. It is just amazing. It is the best of the best. I love it. Next, I have my Lancome Matte Shaker. Is that what these are called? I don't know. But yeah, these are the matte shakers, and I have mine in Energy Peach. I love this product. I think it is beautiful, but basically, if you've never tried these, they're like liquid lipstick, but basically they look like this. This is the applicator. They smell amazing, and basically these are the liquid lipstick formula of their Juicy Shakers, which the Juicy Shakers are more like oil. These are matte, and they're sort of like liquid lipsticks, but not completely. They don't dry out your lips, they look matte, and they do transfer a little bit, but not a ton. And they stay on your lips for, you know, a decent amount of time. You do have to reapply them. They're not transfer proof, as I already mentioned. But what I love about this, obviously the color is incredible. It's very pink, which is normally something that I don't like. I'm not super into pink lipsticks. I say as I'm wearing a pink lipstick. But this one just works out really well. It's more of like corally peachy pink, and I love it. It is super, super comfortable to wear. It makes my lips look beautiful. I think even though it's a very comfortable formula, it isn't sheer at all. It's very easy to use when you have a full face of makeup because it isn't one of those, you know, sheer barely there formulas, and I love it. If you guys haven't tried this formula and you hate liquid lipsticks but you love matte lipsticks, try this because it's great. Now moving on to more like actual lipsticks, I have my OG here, MAC Velvet Teddy. Guys, I have used and abused this. I love it. I think it is the perfect nude for me. It's a little bit deeper than a regular nude, but still, it is very beautiful. It smells amazing. I find that I can pair this with any look, whether it be cool tone, warm tone. It works perfectly with everything. And I just think it is such a versatile nude color. It's a matte formula, but it's honestly a little bit more satin in my opinion. It feels very comfortable on the lips. Obviously, it's not a liquid lipstick, so you have to reapply it after a while, but I find this fades beautifully. I love this color, and I love this lipstick, and honestly, MAC lipsticks are really good, but this one is just my favorite. I think it's like my most used lipstick of life. I love it. Next, I have another one here that has a sort of a different cap, but this is my Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker lipstick in Super Nude. I lost the cap, so I just used the cap of another one to put it on this one because this is my favorite. So basically, this is a color right here. They smell amazing, and this is sort of the same formula of their Sexy Mother Pucker Gloss, which is a lip plumper, and this is supposed to like also plump your lips. But I find that what I love about this one is not just the beautiful nude color that I find that I can wear with a lot of different looks. It's super versatile, but it's also not plumping, but fills in my fine lines, so it doesn't sink into them. It doesn't look, you know, disgusting. I don't look like I have raisin lips, and it is super comfortable to wear. I love the fact that it makes my lips look super smooth. That's my favorite thing about it, and the color is just beautiful for every day as well. It is amazing, super comfortable, perfection. Moving on, I have my Nude Sticks Magnetic, that's how you say it, right? Matte lip color in the shade Boho. So this one's a little bit different for me because it's more of a cool tone, and I usually do not like cool tones, but I mean, I've abused this. It's very well loved. But what I love about this is, first off, the formula acts like a liquid lipstick. This does not go anywhere. Doesn't matter if you eat, if you drink, if you do anything, it won't go anywhere. The color of this is beautiful. I find that it's a little bit gray and cool tone, but I don't mind that as much for whatever reason. I mean, I'm not a cool tone lover, but this color just looks amazing. I find that it is super easy for me to wear it with warm toned looks or cool toned looks, and honestly, just I love how great this wears throughout the day, and I love the color. It's a little bit different for me. All the other nudier colors are more on the warm side, so having one cool tone is great. I really, really like this one. I think, oh my god, I think this is perfect for every day because it is vampy, but it isn't overly dramatic that you can't wear this every day. Last but not least, I have one of my most recent favorites. This is my Bite Beauty Amuse-Bouche Liquefied Lip in Caramelized. I've worn this a few videos now, I think, and honestly, what I love about this is obviously the color is one of my perfect nude colors. It's peachy, it's warm tone. I love peachy and warm toned nudes, so honestly I find that it is super easy for me to wear this every single day. It's an easy color for me, basically. These are the colors that I tend to gravitate to, but overall, I think the formula of this is amazing. It's basically like a liquefied version of their lipstick. Not a liquid lipstick, it doesn't dry at all, but it is very, very comfortable on the lips, and I find that it lasts quite long as well. It's not transfer proof or anything, but it does last a little longer than a regular lipstick. They have a lot of different shades, but this one in particular is just, I find that it suits me the best. And the formula is perfect for everyday use because it's almost like a gloss, but it isn't goopy. It's super pigmented, it feels amazing, and you know, what else could a girl want, okay? Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know what you thought of it in the comment section, and if you have any favorite everyday lipstick, then make sure to leave it in the comment section as well. I would love to know and maybe try some of them out. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It gives me a lot of feedback on what you guys want to see and what you don't want to see. And if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy my channel, make sure to subscribe. It would help me out a lot. I'd be forever grateful, and you'd get awesome content for free. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.